Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss one core Java interview question which I faced in Wipro. That is, find the capital and small letter count from a string. Okay, let's start this. Let me go to IntelliJ. If you will see, this is the string. Automation testing with Java Selenium. I will just write down a Java program so that it will find the total number of capital characters and total number of small characters. Here if you will see, the capital characters is 5 and we will find out the small characters. Okay, so let's start this. Let's say I will declare string str is equal to, let's say, automation testing with Java Selenium. Okay, then after that I'll just create one for loop. Let's say for int I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length, then I plus plus. Okay, yeah, int I is equal to 0, I less than, it will be I less than str dot length I plus plus. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll just declare one character char, let's say c is equal to str dot char at I. Okay, so I will store all the characters from the string in C. Then I will check if, okay, so what is the capital character ASCII value? Capital character ASCII value is from 66 to 91. Okay, that means A should be greater than 65 and C should be greater than 65 and C should be less than 92, right? Then this is the condition. If C is between 66 to 91, then it is a capital character. Okay, so let me define. So what I can do, I will just define int capital, let's say car count. Okay, capital car let's say 0, comma, then small car count is equal to 0. Okay, if this is the case, that means if C is between 66 to 91, then what I will do, I will just increase capital char count. Okay, I will make it plus plus. Else I will, else I will make it small char count. Okay, then I will just write down system.out.println total number of capital character count is equal to, okay, plus capital char count. Then similarly we will write down total number of small character count is equal to plus small car count. Okay, let's run this and we will see the result. Okay, so here it is showing total number of capital car count 4. 1 second. So I think it starts from 65, right? So it should be greater than equal to 65, I believe, right? C should be, yeah, it starts from 65, right? Okay, let's run one moment, guys. Let me run this. Yeah, perfect, absolutely working fine. So basically ASCII value starts from 65. Okay, so 65 to 91, correct? So that means C greater than equal to 65. It's not greater than 65, it should be greater than equal to 65. Okay, that's how it will work. See, total number of capital car count is 5 and total number of small car count is 32. Yeah, if you will find it, it will be 32. Understood? Yeah, that's how you can write down the program. This is the complete program. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I will come up with some new series. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.